Welcome back, Zone Out Fun from deep in the heart of Texas. This is the update from May 5th, 2024. Oh, and May the 4th be with you. We'll start off this week with what happened back in February of 2022 when billionaire entrepreneur, philanthropist, and veteran astronaut Jared Isaacman and SpaceX unveiled the Polaris program, aimed at advancing human spaceflight capabilities and supporting charitable causes on Earth. The program's inaugural mission, Polaris Dawn, is scheduled to launch in summer 2024, marking SpaceX's first-ever commercial astronaut spacewalk. During the 5-day mission, 4 astronauts will conduct an extravehicular activity, EVA, from Dragon, an historic moment as it's the first time 4 astronauts will venture into space simultaneously. SpaceX has developed a new EVA suit to support the crew during the spacewalk, featuring improved mobility and comfort. The suit incorporates new materials, fabrication processes, and joint designs to enhance flexibility and reliability in both pressurized and unpressurized scenarios. Equipped with a 3D printed helmet with a glare-reducing visor and a heads-up display, HUD, the suit provides essential information on pressure, temperature, and humidity. These enhancements aim to ensure the crew's safety during the mission, while laying the groundwork for scalable designs to accommodate diverse body types and increase access to space. While Polaris Dawn marks the suit's debut in low Earth orbit, its long-term purpose extends to lunar bases. But they will also be useful for Martian cities, where millions of spacesuits will be needed to support human colonization efforts. SpaceX's commitment to scalable designs reflects its vision of making life multiplanetary and underscores the importance of advancing space exploration technologies for the future. Staying on the SpaceX topic, Elon Musk, SpaceX's chief engineer, recently outlined the company's ambitious plans to propel humanity towards becoming a multiplanetary species, with Mars as the primary target. Musk emphasized that SpaceX's ongoing programs, such as Falcon, Dragon, Starlink, and Starship, are crucial components in realizing this vision. At Starbase, Texas, preparations for Starship testing and Integrated Flight Test 4, IFT-4, are accelerating, hinting at a potential test flight by the end of May or early June. The focus of SpaceX's efforts lies in making Starship fully and rapidly reusable, a fundamental aspect for facilitating frequent and cost-effective space travel. Musk underscored the significance of these advancements in enabling missions not only to Mars but also to the Moon, particularly with NASA's Artemis program. These developments promise to revolutionize humanity's ability to transport significant payloads to orbit and beyond. Musk's presentation delved into the intricacies and challenges of interplanetary travel, highlighting the ongoing efforts to build the necessary infrastructure for transporting millions of people and tons of cargo to Mars in the coming years. SpaceX's dedication to pushing the boundaries of space exploration underscores its commitment to safeguarding the future of humanity and preserving the light of consciousness across the cosmos. Moving on into the vast expanse of space, astronomers have encountered a perplexing cosmic phenomenon known as odd radio circles, ORCs. These enigmatic circular radio structures, first discovered in 2021, have confounded scientists with their mysterious origins. Among them, the cloverleaf fork stands out as a particularly intriguing specimen, offering clues to unraveling their secrets. Recently, a breakthrough observation of the cloverleaf fork has shed new light on its formation. Utilizing X-ray emissions, scientists traced the structure's gas distribution, revealing its genesis from the merging of 2 distinct groups of galaxies. The collision of these galactic clusters triggered supersonic shock waves, accelerating particles within the cloverleaf and generating the observed X-ray emissions. Despite their rarity and elusive nature, ORCs continue to captivate astronomers' curiosity, with ongoing observations and deeper insights from telescopes like EROSIT. and ESA's XMA Newton, researchers aim to unlock the mysteries behind these cosmic enigmas, offering glimpses into the dynamic and intricate workings of the universe. NASA's High-C Flare mission delivers groundbreaking insights into solar flares. After meticulous planning and years since its last flight, NASA's High-Resolution Coronal Imager Flare mission, High-C Flare, soared into the skies, offering an unprecedented glimpse into the dynamics of solar flares. Equipped with cutting-edge low-noise cameras developed at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center, the mission launched aboard the Black Brant X-sounding rocket from the Poker Flat Research Range in Alaska. Led by Marshall, the High-C Flare experiment marked a pioneering endeavor in solar observation. Despite the sun's relatively calm state during the launch campaign, the team's perseverance paid off when they captured a long-duration N-class flare, aligning perfectly with their launch window. The rocket's sensors swiftly directed cameras toward the sun, collecting vital data for approximately 5 minutes before descending back to Earth, landing in the Alaskan tundra. Following a nerve-wracking wait, the team retrieved the rocket and commenced processing the gathered data, revealing stunning insights into solar flare dynamics. This milestone achievement not only highlights the success of advanced technology, but also underscores NASA's commitment to unraveling the mysteries of our dynamic solar system. Stay tuned as researchers delve deeper into the data, paving the way for further discoveries in solar science. In a monumental leap forward for interplanetary exploration, the European Space Agency, ESA, is poised to ignite a fresh chapter in Mars exploration with the upcoming ExoMars Rosalind Franklin mission. This ambitious endeavor stands as a testament to ESA's unwavering dedication, bolstered by renewed collaboration with NASA and the collective expertise of ESA member states. With its sights set on unraveling the mysteries of the Red Planet and potentially uncovering evidence of life beyond Earth, the mission promises groundbreaking discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the solar system. Led by ESA's Director for Human and Robotic Exploration, Daniel Newman-Schwander, the Rosalind Franklin mission marks a significant milestone in humanity's quest to unlock Mars' secrets. Backed by cutting-edge technology and a resolve to push the boundaries of space exploration, the mission is poised to tackle formidable scientific and technological challenges head-on. Thales Alenia Space, entrusted with key responsibilities for the mission, expresses profound gratitude for the opportunity to contribute to the search for signs of life on Mars. Scheduled for launch between October and December 2028 from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, the ExoMars Rosalind Franklin mission will deploy a sophisticated European rover equipped with state-of-the-art instrumentation. With capabilities to drill up to 2 meters beneath the Martian surface and analyze samples, the rover represents a pivotal advancement in our quest for answers about the origins of the solar system. Moreover, the extended operational lifespan of the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter ensures continued support for future Mars missions, underscoring ESA's commitment to ongoing exploration and discovery beyond Earth's confines. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has unveiled its ambitious Debris-Free Space Missions (DFSN) initiative, aiming to achieve debris-free space missions by all Indian space actors, both governmental and non-governmental, by 2030. Announced by Shri Somanath S., Chairman of ISRO and Secretary of DOS, during the 42nd Annual Meet of Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee, IADC, in Bengaluru, the initiative sets meticulous guidelines for achieving this goal. The DFSM initiative focuses on meticulous design and execution, aiming to avoid debris generation during satellite and launch vehicle operations, prevent on-orbit collisions, and comply with post-mission disposal guidelines. By ensuring controlled re-entry or deorbiting of spent orbital stages and satellites with a success probability of more than 99%, India aims to promote the long-term sustainability of outer space activities. Furthermore, the initiative emphasizes special considerations for human spaceflight safety, trackability, and maneuverability of satellites, and recommends spacecraft mission extensions only after thorough consideration of system health and safety. With the implementation set to begin in 2025, India's DFSM initiative underscores the nation's commitment to safe, secure, and sustainable space operations, aligning with global efforts for the preservation of outer space as a common heritage for future generations. China launched its complex and ambitious Chang'e 6 mission Friday to collect the first-ever samples from the far side of the Moon. A 57-meter-tall Long March 5 lifted off from the Wenchang Satellite Launch Center at 9:30 UTC on May 3rd, carrying the roughly 8,200-kilogram Chang'e 6 into orbit. If successful, samples delivered by the 53-day-long mission could change our understanding of the Earth and Moon and the history of the early solar system. The mission is a repurposed backup to the 2020 Chang'e 5 sample return mission. That mission successfully collected the youngest samples so far from the near side of the Moon. It also builds on the Chang'e 4 mission, which put a lander and rover on the lunar far side in 2019. That wraps up a quick look at only a few of the space events that happened this week. If you enjoyed this update, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss another episode. Until next time, adios y'all.